Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix your Tinder app if it's not working on your mobile phone. At first, you go to settings. After that, you go to app management, search for it, and then you click on apps, then app management. After that, let it load. Search Tinder and then go to storage usage and then go to clear data. If there is anything called clear cache, I'll say please clear that too. After that, go below and then go to permissions. Make sure all the permissions are allowed. After doing all the steps shown, please go to Tinder and the app should be working fine for you. Thanks for watching. This is it for the video. Please leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and goodbye.